How to use Mailchimp for email marketing. So hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to use Mailchimp for email marketing. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, let us sign up. So you need to go to the Mailchimp website, which is mailchimp.com, and then once you're there, you can sign up if you don't have an account, or log in if you do. So to sign up, all you have to do is just click on this sign up button right in the middle, and then it will redirect you here. So Mailchimp has different plans for you. So if we scroll down, here are Mailchimp's plans. So they have the premium plan, the standard plan, the essentials plan, and they also have a free plan. So moving on, let us sign up. So if you want to sign up to the free plan, just click on this button right here that says free plan, and then it will lead you here. So you can choose again from these plans, or you can just choose the free one if you want to try it. So I'll just try the free one. So I'll just click on sign up for free, and then it will ask you for your email, a username, and your password. So just input those details, and then once you're done, make sure to check this box if you don't want to receive emails, and then if you do want to receive emails, just leave it unchecked. And then once you're done with all of that, just click on sign up, and then after you sign up, it will ask you to check your email to activate your account. So please check your email and then just activate your account. And then after activating your account, it will lead you here. So we'll ask you to tell us a bit about yourself. So it will ask you your first name, last name, business name, and then phone number. So just fill in those details. And then once you're done filling all those up, just click on next. And then it will ask you for your business address. So fill in your business address. And then once you're done with all of that, just click on next. And then next, it will ask you, how do you sell to your customers? We'll recommend automations, integrations, and other features tailored to the way you do business. So just select one from here that applies to your business. So the first one is our own website. Customers can purchase directly from your online store or app. Next, physical location. Products are sold in person at a pop-up or brick and mortar store. Next are online marketplaces. So if you're using Etsy, Amazon, MindBody, etc. Consultation process are one-on-one interactions with customers via email, form, in person. And then lastly, we have social media. Transactions happen directly on Instagram, Pinterest, etc. So just choose one that applies best to your business. So for me, I will choose the first option, which is our own website as an example. Or what you can also do is just use this button right here that says we're not currently selling. So I'll just choose this one. And then it will ask you, what's your top goal with Mailchimp? We'll get you started with personalized recommendations based on your focus. So choose one that applies best to you. First one is drive sales, revenue, or conversions. Second is send emails people find helpful or entertaining, or grow my list of email subscribers. So I will choose send emails people find helpful or entertaining. And then once you're done, just click on next, and then it will ask you what are the most important features for your business. We'll use your selections to guide you in the platform. So select all that apply. So I'll choose email templates. That's pretty much it. And then once you're done, just click on next, and then it will ask you for your website URL. So if you don't have a website right now, just click on skip, and then there you go. It's gonna customize your Mailchimp for you. Then here, it'll ask you to confirm your industry. Your industry helps us make recommendations and benchmark your performance. So just by choosing your industry, just click on the bar and then just choose your industry right here. So I'll just choose advertising, public relations, and related services. So once you're done, just click on confirm. Then it will ask you, how many email contacts do you have? An estimate will do. We'll recommend ways to grow and manage your audience based on your answer. So just choose one that fits best. I'll choose this one. And then just click on next. And then it will lead you here to the plans page again. I'll just choose the free one again. And then it will start preparing your account. And then there you go. You have now completed the setup of your account. And then this right here is the dashboard of Mailchimp. As you can see over here in the left side of the dashboard, we can see the different kinds of tools that you can use for your Mailchimp. So you guys have campaigns, automations, which has overview, all journeys, pre-built journeys, and transactional email. So for your audiences, you'll have an audience dashboard, contacts, sign-up forms, tags, segments, surveys, subscriber preferences, and an inbox. For analytics, you'll guys have a marketing dashboard, reports, and custom reports. Then for website, you can create your own website, settings for that website, and then reports. Next, we have content, so you'll have a creative assistant, files, and email template. Then for integrations, this right here, you can integrate anything. So you can integrate tools together to make most of your data. So these guys have Canva, Shopify, Squarespace, Instagram content blocks, WordPress, and a lot more. Since we will be focusing on email marketing, let us just go to the campaigns section right here. Once you're in the campaigns tab, let us start off by creating a campaign. So to create a campaign, all you have to do is just go to the top right corner and then just click on create. And then it will ask you, create something that gets noticed. So feel free to choose any of these options right here. So if you want to make a regular email, automation, or a landing page. So for me, I'll just use the regular email so we can design our email. So just click on design email right here and then it will lead you here. So first for your email, it will ask you, who are you sending this email to? So just enter the recipient's email address right here. And then from, it's just your email address. And then the subject, what's the subject line for this email? And then the send time, you can edit when this email will be sent. And then for the content, you can design your email right here. So let's design our email. And then once you click on design email, you will see all the templates that you can use for your email. So just feel free to choose one that fits best to your email. So for me, I'll choose this one right here. So once you have chosen your template for your email, just click on apply. And then there you can now start customizing your email. So as you can see over here for the content, you can add a heading, a paragraph, a button, a divider, a spacer. You can also add images, your logo, creative assistant, video, your socials, a survey, some code if you want, apps, products, and product recommendation. For layouts, they have blank layouts right here, and then they also have pre-built layouts. Moving on styles, you can change the color of the email, the background color and its body color. Same goes with the text, the link, the buttons, the divider. Same goes for mobile. So you can customize each experience. So if your user is using a desktop, you can customize their experience on the styles area, and then you can also customize if your users are on mobile. And then next we have optimize. So it allows you to help improve your click rate with these tips. So use these email best practices to make your content more engaging. They are based on trends across top performing emails. So those are the options in making your email. So let us start by designing our email. So let's say you want to add an image to your email. All you have to do is just click on this and then it will ask you to add an image. So just add an image from your folder. You could also link that image to your website or an email, a phone number, a file, or a landing page. So if you have a website, just choose website. If you want them to go to your email, just use the email. If you have a phone number or a telephone number, make sure to choose phone. If you want them to download the file, choose file. And then if you have a landing page, just choose a landing page. And then once you're done choosing that, make sure to just input the link at the bottom. Moving on is alignment. So you can align your text. So if you want them to align to the left, just click on left. If you want them to be centered, click on centered. If you want them to be right, click right. And if you want to be full, just click on full. Next is alternate text. Describe what you see in the image. So basically what this does is you're adding a description to your image. And then next, you can also add a block background, or basically just a color to the background of your image. You can also add some paddings if you want. You can also change it into rounded corners if you want to. And then you can also add a border. And then you can also switch on or off dynamic content. So dynamic content settings drive higher email ROI with personalized content. But this is only for the upgraded or paid plans. Moving on, as you can see over here, it says add button text. So let's try to change this. So let's change the name of the add button text to, let's say, click here. And then from there, you could also link that button to your website, to your email, to your phone, to files, and to your landing page. And make sure to just input the link. You can also change the alignment, the shape, the size, the borders, the colors, the padding, and also dynamic content. So feel free to customize those. And then next we have the socials right here. So as you can see over here, you can add your Facebook account or your Facebook page, your Instagram page, your X or Twitter page. So just input the links in these boxes right here. You can also change the icon style. So if you want it to be a black background, just choose that. If you want it to have a white background, choose that. And if you don't want it to have like a border, just choose that. You can also change the size, the alignment, the spacing, the color, the block background, the padding, and dynamic content. So feel free to customize your email to your liking. You can also change the text over here depending on what you want to do with your email. So if you're selling a product, just feel free to edit that out. And so yeah, that is pretty much it on how to use Mailchimp for email marketing. So basically, once you're done with all of that, make sure to click on save and exit. And then if you want to send it, just click on send. But if you want to finish it later, just click on finish it later. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to use Mailchimp for email marketing.